Ugesic sublingual tablet is a pain-relieving medicine. It is used to treat moderate to severe pain in conditions such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Helps to relieve pain and swelling in joints and muscles. May also be used after a dental surgery. Piroxicam, which is the active constituent, is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug or NSAID. It works by blocking the release of certain chemicals that are responsible for inflammation, chemical messengers. You have to take it as prescribed to get the most benefit. Do not take more or for longer than needed, as that can be dangerous. The most common side effects are mild vomiting, stomach pain, nausea, indigestion, and diarrhea. If any of these side effects persist or get worse, you should let your doctor know. For using this tablet, you have to place the tablet under the tongue and let it dissolve. Do not chew, crush, or swallow the tablet. Ugesic sublingual tablet is to be taken with food.